Renia is a German adhesive and finishing brand founded in 1930. They started with leather cement, finishing wax, and shoe care products. They quickly became known for professional bonding systems used in leatherwork, footwear repair, and orthotics. The easiest way to understand Renia is by category. The Aquilum line is the water-based side, giving you lower odor adhesive options. The Aquilum 315 is the all-purpose starting point. GL and SG are more pressure-sensitive options for tack and positioning. And the Aquilum 130 is the stronger, more technical option that uses heat and pressure. The solvent-based adhesives are the stronger shop-style contact cements. Colade Cologne is the broad all-purpose option. Top Fit gives strong initial grab. Syntec Total is for rougher, flexible materials. Ortec is more specialized for footwear and orthotics. And Superfix is the faster working option. Renia also offers primers, thinners, additives, brushes, fillers, dyes, and Yankee wax. So it's really a full system for bonding, repair, and finishing.